Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the essential steps to successfully flip a home for profit. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, remember this. Flipping a house is about more than just making a profit. It's about taking something old and forgotten and giving it a new lease on life. It's about seeing the potential in every chipped paint and every creaky floorboard. Over the next few minutes, we'll walk through each stage of the process, from finding the perfect fixer-upper to handing over the keys to a happy new homeowner. We'll share practical tips and tricks Chip and I have learned over the years to help you avoid common pitfalls and make smart decisions every step of the way. Remember, transforming a house into a home is a rewarding experience both personally and financially. So, grab a cup of coffee, get cozy, and let's get started on your journey to flipping homes for profit. Before you even start looking at paint swatches or picking out cabinet hardware, you need to do your homework. Just like any good renovation project starts with a solid foundation, a successful flip starts with thorough market research. You need to understand the neighborhood where you're looking to buy. What are the schools like? Is it a family-friendly area? What's the crime rate like? Next, dive into the real estate market itself. Are homes selling quickly or are they sitting on the market? What's the average price per square foot? Knowing these details will give you a good sense of your potential profit margin. And just as importantly, think about who your ideal buyer is. Are you catering to young professionals, growing families, or empty nesters? Knowing your target market will help you make smart renovation choices down the line. Remember, this research phase is all about minimizing risk and maximizing your chances of success. The more you know about the market, the better equipped you'll be to find a hidden gem and turn it into a profitable flip. Now, let's talk money, honey. Before you fall head over heels for a charming Victorian with good bones, you need to figure out how you're going to finance this whole shebang. Will you be using savings, taking out a loan, or partnering with an investor? Each option has its own set of pros and cons, so do your research and choose the path that best suits your financial situation. Once you've got your financing in order, it's time to create a rock-solid budget. Start with your estimated purchase price and then factor in every single renovation expense you can think of, from new flooring and appliances to landscaping and light fixtures. Don't forget to include those hidden costs like permits, closing costs, and holding costs while you're renovating. It's always better to overestimate your expenses than to be caught off guard by unexpected costs down the line. Remember, sticking to your budget is crucial for a successful flip. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a renovation and start making impulsive decisions. But trust me, those splurges can add up quickly. Create a detailed spreadsheet, track every penny, and be sure to build in a little wiggle room for unexpected surprises. This is where the fun really begins. Finding the right property is like discovering a diamond in the rough. You're looking for a house with good bones, a solid structure, and tons of potential, even if it's hidden beneath layers of dated wallpaper and shag carpeting. Start by checking out online listings, attending open houses, and connecting with real estate agents who specialize in investment properties. Don't be afraid to explore distressed properties, foreclosures, or homes that have been sitting on the market for a while. These properties often come with a lower price tag, giving you more wiggle room in your budget for renovations. When you step inside a potential flip, try to see past the clutter and imagine the possibilities. Can you envision knocking down a wall to create an open floor plan? Would refinishing the hardwood floors bring the space to life? Trust your gut instincts and look for those hidden gems that just need a little love to shine. All right, you found your diamond in the rough. Now it's time to polish it up. This is where your vision and creativity come into play. Start by making a list of the must-do renovations. Kitchens and bathrooms are always a good bet, as are updates to curb appeal. Remember, you're not designing this home for yourself, you're designing it for your target buyer. Think about what features and finishes would appeal to them most. While it's tempting to go all out with high-end finishes, remember to balance quality with cost. Choose durable, timeless materials that will hold up well over time, but avoid over-improving the property beyond what's typical for the neighborhood. You want your renovations to enhance the home's value without pricing it out of the market. And speaking of value, let's talk about contractors. Finding reliable, trustworthy contractors is crucial for a smooth renovation process. Get recommendations, check references, and don't be afraid to ask for multiple bids to ensure you're getting a fair price. Renovations can be unpredictable, but that doesn't mean you can't stay organized and in control. Creating a realistic timeline is key to keeping your project on track. Break down each phase of the renovation into smaller, manageable tasks and assign deadlines to each one. Communication is key when you're working with contractors. Make sure everyone is on the same page about the scope of work, the timeline, and the budget. Regular check-ins and site visits will help you stay informed about the progress and address any potential issues before they snowball into major problems. Remember, things happen. Unexpected delays and unforeseen problems are bound to pop up along the way. The key is to stay flexible, adapt to challenges as they arise, and keep your eye on the prize. That beautifully renovated home just waiting for its new owners. The renovations are complete, the paint is dry, and your fixer-upper has been transformed into a stunning showpiece. Now it's time to let the world see what you've created. Staging your home is crucial for attracting potential buyers. You want to highlight the home's best features, create a welcoming atmosphere, and help buyers envision themselves living there. Invest in professional photography to showcase your property in its best light. High-quality photos can make all the difference in attracting potential buyers online. When it comes to pricing your home, do your research and set a competitive price that reflects the current market value and the extent of your renovations. Remember, selling a home is all about appealing to emotions. You're not just selling a house, you're selling a lifestyle, a dream. Let your marketing materials tell a story and capture the essence of what makes this home special. Chapter 7. Closing the sale, dotting your I's and crossing your T's. You found a buyer who's fallen in love with your renovated gem. Congratulations. Now it's time to navigate the final hurdle, closing the sale. Be prepared to negotiate with potential buyers, but stand firm on your bottom line. Remember, you've put a lot of time, effort, and money into this project, so don't be afraid to hold out for the right offer. Working with a real estate attorney or agent can help ensure all the paperwork is in order and the transaction goes smoothly. They can guide you through the closing process, answer any questions you might have, and help you avoid any legal hiccups. Remember, clear communication is essential during this phase. Keep in touch with your buyer, their agent, and your own team to ensure a seamless and stress-free closing. Chapter 8. Review and learn, growing with each flip. Congratulations, you've successfully flipped a house and hopefully made a tidy profit in the process. Now, before you get started on your next project, take some time to reflect on the journey. What went well? What could have been better? What lessons did you learn along the way? Reviewing your process from your initial market research to the final closing details allows you to identify areas where you excelled and areas where you can improve. Did your budget accurately reflect your actual expenses? Did you encounter any unexpected challenges during the renovation process? Remember, every flip is a learning opportunity. The more you learn from each experience, the better equipped you'll be to tackle future projects with confidence and expertise. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on real estate and home improvement. Remember, flipping a house is more than just a business transaction. It's about creating something beautiful and breathing new life into a space. It's about taking risks, trusting your gut, and never being afraid to swing a hammer. And if you're looking for a reliable contractor to partner with on your next project, give our friends at As Elite Contracting a call. They do fantastic work and share our passion for creating beautiful, functional spaces. See you next time.